Hey, thanks for watching again. I'm going to show you another stitch, and that is the aligned cobble stitch. This is it. It's a very puffy stitch and very easy to make. So this is what I'm going to show you how you can make this. Take your yarn and your crochet hook. I've got a 4mm, and your base chain has to be a multiple of 2 and then plus 2. I'm gonna crochet 10 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this has to be your base, and then you have to do plus 2. So 1, 2. Skip the first chain, and in the next I'm gonna do a single crochet, and in every other stitch we do a single crochet. So I have to have 11 single crochet when I'm back to the beginning. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we're going to do the aligned cobble stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and then in the first stitch you're going to do a single crochet. And in the next stitch we do a triple crochet, so yarn over twice, and then in this stitch you're going to put your hook through it, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch we'll do a single crochet, and that's how you see that the cobble stitch is gonna come up now, because the first stitch is low and a triple crochet is a bit higher, and then we're gonna do a lower stitch. Okay, in the next stitch we're gonna do a triple crochet again, and this is how we're gonna repeat the rest of the row. So in the next stitch a triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The next stitch a single crochet. And with this pattern it's very important that the first stitch is a single crochet and the last stitch is a single crochet. And then a triple crochet again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The next stitch a single crochet. And you can see how the cobbles are coming up right now. In the next stitch a triple crochet, in the next stitch a single crochet, and then we have 2 stitches left. So this is what I said before, that in the first stitch you have to do a single crochet, and in the last stitch you have to do a single crochet. So in this stitch we do a triple crochet, and in the last stitch we do a single crochet. Don't forget about this last one. It's difficult to crochet through the LCD screen on my video recorder, so sometimes I'm a bit struggling with getting the hook in the right stitch. Okay, so from now on we're gonna do a repeat of these 2 rows. So single crochets 1 row, and then 1 row of the cobble stitch. Chain 1 to turn your work, and then in every stitch across this row we're gonna do a single crochet. So I had 11 single crochets on my row 1, so that's why I'm going to have 11 single crochets again with this row. So in the first stitch 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch, if you don't really see where you have to put your hook in, just take your work a little bit apart, and then you see this space here, then you can put your hook in through that space and make a single crochet. And here there's a space, a single crochet. So I have 3 single crochet now, and if you still can't see it, then turn your work a bit towards yourself, towards you, however you're gonna call it. And then you're gonna see this V, and then you have to put your hook through that. So this is your next stitch. So in every stitch you have to do a single crochet. And for me, I have to have 11 single crochet when I am at the end of this row. And this is all repeating for the next rows. You have to crochet. 10 and 11. And then always chain 1 for turning your work, and in every first stitch you do a single crochet, and always in the last stitch a single crochet, and in between there will be a triple crochet, single crochet, triple crochet, etc. So a triple crochet in the next one, and a single crochet in the next. It's getting a hard time focusing because it's not really light out here. It's rainy, so it's a bit dark outside, even though it's 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, yarn over twice. In the next stitch pull up a yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, in the next stitch a single crochet, in the next stitch a triple crochet, then a single crochet, triple crochet, single crochet, and you can see here we have 2 stitches left, so the next is a triple crochet, and in the last one is a single crochet. It's very important to make sure the edges are nice and straight. So the last one, a single crochet, and from now on all you have to do is to repeat rows 1 and 2. Always make a chain 1 for turning your work, and then do 1 row of single crochets and then 1 row of the aligned cobble stitch. So this stitch is very nice to make a pillowcase. I think I would constantly rub over this stitch because it's nice and fluffy. But you can also make maybe a scarf or a cowl scarf, infinity scarf, and then put some rows of these aligned cobble stitch and then maybe rows of single crochet or double crochets or half double crochets for a nice texture. So I hope you like this stitch, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye bye.